The KL Bird Park was established in 1991 and was officially opened by Her Majesty the Queen of Malaysia, Tunku Bainu. The park is 10 minutes away from the city centre. The main feature that distinguishes KL Bird Park from any other bird park is the concept of free flight. Sprawling approximately 20.9 acres of Garden Valley terrain, the park is divided into 4 zones. Zone 1 and 2 make up the free flight zone. Zone 3 is the Hornbill Park, and Zone 4 is where the birds are placed in separate cages and mini aviaries. Visitors will have an exciting experience of watching colorful and melodic birds perching and winging about freely while relaxing in a natural and beautifully landscaped surrounding. KL Bird Park is also reputed to be the largest walk-in free-flight aviary in the world. You will be surprised to come across miniature gardens, pools and water cascades, bridges, flowering plants and bird feeding stations. One of KL Bird Park's most extraordinary features is that in Zone 1, 2 and 3, birds are let free in the aviary, which closely resembles their natural habitat. With this free flight concept, birds are able to breed naturally in this unique environment.